Welcome to the F1 Fusion CAM lesson, Activity 7, Simulating Your Toolpath. Fusion has the ability to virtually machine the model. Use this function to check to see if your toolpath is doing everything correctly. You can save many mistakes here, saving tools, machine, and stock. Let's take this procedurally. So the first thing we're going to do is rotate our model back into the first position we were in to cut the left side of the car. There we go. Get a nice view of the model. Then we'll select the simulate icon and we'll select, actually, let's close that for a second. Let's select the first toolpath right there. Select the simulate icon. Now let's talk about the dialog here for a second. The first thing we want to do is turn on stock. And then let's select a material ceramic. And down here are your controls. So if I push the play button, we can see that our cutter starts where we wanted it to start and starts moving through the stock. But while it's playing, you can rotate the material to get a better view to see what's happening. Let's rotate back. You can also use this little dot here, your speed button, and you can increase the speed that it's machining through the material. This is just a graphic representation. Your feed rates are actually set in your program. Once it's done, we can go back and look at it. We could also turn off the toolpath if we want to inspect it. We can see those little ridges right there. The closer the toolpath is packed together, the smaller those ridges will be. And let's close that. And then we can come in here and select the second toolpath. We can select simulate and we can hit play. And then we can also rotate that so we can see what's actually going on. So go ahead and play with this a little bit. You're speeding up and speeding down, turning the toolpath on and off. Might even be good to rotate into the position that it's going to cut it in. Or whichever position it's easier for you to understand what's actually happening. Let's close that. Let's put it into our second view here. No, it won't do that. You can simulate both toolpaths for a final verification by selecting the first toolpath, holding down Control, getting the second toolpath, and hit Simulate. Select play. It'll cut the left side of the car first. And we'll move through that. And the second side of the car. With them both complete, you can rotate the car and check to make sure that you've machined all the car, both sides. This concludes Activity 7.